When did I do the gardening? Sunday? Is the pool party. Sorry. Yeah. Ones. I'm so when I get hot. And close it when I get the cutest. Well, sorry, I have a problem. Hold on, I need. There's just so much going on in there. And the second I start packing his things, he's gonna know. Sorry. Let's do it for the ass. As we know it, it's gonna be like so different. Jesus fucking Christ. I lived in. Sorry. Sorry. The match 2-0, securing their third. Sorry. FA Cup title. No. Sorry. Just a small little bump. Yeah, you good girl.